Hi, I'm Garner, owner of Raintree Property Management, and this is Vista. If you own a single family home or a condo here, you've got a solid in-demand rental in one of North County, San Diego's most livable inland communities. The question that I want to answer for you today is a simple one. Who should manage it? Because the real question isn't who can manage your Vista rental property. Plenty of companies can do that. The real question is, who's going to grow your net income over the long term and keep you out of trouble here in California without dragging you into the day-to-day? That's the job that we do. So let me give you a few numbers instead of a sales pitch. So since 2018, we've collected 99.2% across the entire rent roll. And that's straight through COVID as well. So we've had 0 evictions and about 73% of our residents renew the lease, which means lower vacancy and turnover costs for you. And after every maintenance call, we survey the resident. So over the last 4 years, that rating average is about 4.9 out of 5 stars. Those numbers aren't luck. They come from our systems. We price your home to the market and we back it with data. We market it everywhere and we show it 7 days a week. We screen every application against the same criteria because California law is strict, and that consistency is exactly what protects you. And we move fast on maintenance because the number one reason good tenants leave isn't rent that increases, it's repairs that get ignored. So here's what makes us different from the big countywide companies. We're North County local. The vendors we trust are North County vendors who can get to your Vista rental property fast. We're not spread across 30 cities that look nothing like this one. We know the difference between an older home near downtown Vista and a newer construction out in Shadowridge. And that shows up in your rent comp and your vacancy time. We're a great fit if you want a hands-off experience, you care about staying compliant, and you're ready to stop handling tenant issues and vendors yourself. We back it with a money-back guarantee, an eviction guarantee on residents that we approve, and there's no long-term contract. You can cancel anytime within 60 days notice. If that sounds like what you're looking for your Vista rental property, request a free rental analysis right here on this page, or give us a call at 760-444-4601, and we'll get you a projected rent for your home, usually within 1 business day. So I love to protect your bottom line and get your evenings back. So thanks for watching. Garner with Raintree Property Management.